URL query parameters to Dict Python. Is there a way to parse a URL with some Python library and return a Python dictionary with the keys and values of a query parameters part of the URL? For example, expected return.
Use the erlib.parse library. The erlib.parse.parse_qs and erlib.parse.parse_qsl methods parse out query strings, taking into account that keys can occur more than once and that order may matter. If you are still on Python 2, erlib.parse was called you'll-parse.
For Python 3, the values of the dict from parse_qs are in a list because there might be multiple values. If you just want the first one,
if you prefer not to use a parser. So I won't delete what's above, but it's definitely not what you should use. I think I read a few of the answers and they looked a little complicated. In case you're like me, don't use my solution. Use this. And for Python 2.x, I know this is the same as the accepted answer, just in a one-liner that can be copied.
For Python 2.7,
I agree about not reinventing the wheel, but sometimes, while you're learning, it helps to build a wheel in order to understand a wheel. Smiley face. So, from a purely academic perspective, I offer this with the caveat that using a dictionary assumes that name-value pairs are unique, that the query string does not contain multiple records. I'm using version 3.6.5 in the idle-ide.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.